In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive shared with me. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find files that others have shared with you and how to work with them confidently. Start on any Google page where you can see the Google Apps icon. This is the small grid of 9 dots in the top right corner of your screen. Click that Google Apps icon to open the menu. From the list of Google services that appears, select Docs. This takes you to the Google Docs homepage, which is a central place to access your documents and anything that's been shared with you. Once you're on the Docs homepage, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click Shared with Me. This section is designed to gather documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other files that other people have chosen to share with you. It saves you time because you don't have to dig through emails or messages to find those links again. In the Shared with Me view, you'll see a list of files and folders. Each item typically shows the file name, the person who shared it, and when it was shared. Think of this area as a window into content owned by other people but made accessible to you. Keep in mind that the files you see here are organized by when they were shared, not necessarily by your own folder structure, so it's normal if the order looks different from the rest of your drive. To open something, simply click the file. If the owner has given you edit permission, you can begin making changes right away. You'll notice that your edits save automatically as you work, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. If you only have view or comment access, you'll still be able to read the document and, in many cases, leave comments or suggestions, but you won't be able to change the main content. This is completely normal and depends on the permissions the file owner set. As you review items here, remember that Shared with Me is a dynamic place. When someone new shares a file with your account, it appears here automatically. If a shared file is removed by its owner, or if your access changes, it will reflect here as well. Treat this space as a quick doorway to collaboration. Open what you need, check the access level you've been given, and work within those permissions. That's all there is to it. Click Google Apps, choose Docs, then open Shared with Me to see and work with the files others have shared. Straightforward, fast, and perfect for staying on the same page with your team.